Hello everyone, this is Genesis. I'm going to record a video about some problems that our team members are having about regarding the installing Python 0. And it happens when they try to install it. Let's see. When you go to the command prompt like we're supposed to do, and we type in PIP, right? And here's what happens. You see this: pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. Previously, I gave you these instructions for how to install Pygame and Py0 to your computer. Here's the instructions for the Windows, and here are the instructions for the Mac. But when we had our meeting on Thursday, apparently this wasn't working on some computers, and it wasn't working on my other laptop. And I didn't know how to solve this problem until now. And here we go. So what we need to do here, we're gonna try to write out other things here. So let's try to type in Python pip install u pip. So it's just not working. And even if I change this to pi, it's not going to work. And leave out the thon, it's not going to work. So here's a solution to this problem. First, we have to uninstall Python. Go to your go here and uninstall Python. Okay, uninstall it. Hmm. So it's uninstalled. Now we want to reinstall it. But before we install it, don't click on install now. Click on this check mark here. Add Python 3.7 to path. Okay. Customize installation. Okay. Make sure all this is checked. When you see this menu here, advanced options, click on all the boxes and install. This should fix the problem. It's slow. Now the setup was successful. Let's close. So our Python is now reinstalled. Let's try this again. cmd command prompt. Now we're going to try this again. Type in PIP and see what happens. Ah, it worked this time. Let's try the other things. So we want to type in this. Sorry, this Python m pip install u pip. It worked. And I'm looks like I need to upgrade the pip, but it works. This should fix the problem. I have an old version of the pip. I went ahead and tried to type this in here, pip install Pygame. Yeah, so what I need to do is upgrade my pip, or else it won't work. So I went ahead and Google and typed in upgrade pip, and so we have to download this thing here called get PYP. So we come here and it says securely download get pip. We click on this, right click on it. We want to download it. Here it is. Uh, you have to copy and paste the whole entire thing here. Copy and paste it, right? So you copy and paste the whole thing. I think it's the whole thing, and you save after you copy and paste it into. Um, you open a new file window, right? And copy and just paste it in, right? You paste it in, and then you hit run. Okay, guys, I'm trying something else, learning as we go, right? Um, and what I'm gonna try is, I tried doing this here by copy and pasting uh, the thing from the website. But what I think the problem was this: when I went to the command prompt, right? Okay, we know we have pip, and then when I tried to install it using this is what happened. Py Python m -m pip install u pip. Right, and it gives you this prompt saying that you need to upgrade. So I think the reason why it's giving me that is because I need to use. So when you click, you're gonna try this. When you click command prompt, right click it and click run as administrator. Aha! This should change it. Now let's try doing the pip thing and see if we get the same problem. Minus m pip install u pip. We should get the same problem. But now when I try to upgrade it, I shouldn't get the same problem. Let's try this again. Python minus m pip install u pip. So you see, when I run it when I was before I was just a user, but now I'm running it as an administrator. so I don't get that problem at all. So make sure you're running it as administrator. Now we are going to install first Python game and then Python 0. So uh, pip install Pygame. See what happens. And remember, we're running this as an administrator. Mhm. Okay, now we're going to install Python 0. Pip install pg 0. Click enter. Okay, now we're done. We have installed both. We have upgraded our pip. We've installed our Python game, and most importantly, we've installed Python 0. So one of the takeaways I got from another YouTube video here, when we're upgrading the Python pip in Windows, the guy is Bit Size Labs, or Bite Size Labs, uh, is this. Well, I figured this one out on my own. Make sure you're running the command prompt as an administrator. B, Python. To upgrade, you type this in. This will upgrade your Python. Right. This will upgrade pip. Okay. All right. This will upgrade your pip. Okay. Yeah. Like I was saying before, make sure you're running the command prompt as an administrator. And if you want to upgrade the pip, type this in. Right. Type this in here. Then after that, you type this in right here. And after that, you install Pygame using this command here. Click enter, and then you install Python 0 by typing this in. Okay. And so that ends this video. I hope this was helpful. I learned as we went, learned as you go. That's what we did today, and that was accomplished. And take care. Talk to you later. See you our next meeting, and hopefully you will have your Python 0 installed. If not, we can install it for you.